OR gate. This or this, A or B. When you give voltage to here, this output voltage come here. When you give this pin or this pin, A or B, this voltage come out in this white pin. See here, this is switch. When this switch on, this voltage come out from here. When this switch you will on, this voltage come out from this place. So this is 5-pin OR gate. Pin number 1 to A, B input. Pin number 4 Y. 5 supply, 3 ground. In physical appearance, this 5-pin single gate, this is single OR gate. This is pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, Y. When you give here 1.8 volts or 2.8 volts, this voltage come out 5 volts from here. When you give this voltage or 2.8 volts, 1.8 volts, this voltage come out from here. Here, this voltage is okay, no voltage output at this point, you should change this one. First you should know voltage at this point, you should check supply is there or not, and this supply also you should check. When any one input will come, this output will come out from this IC. Now this gate. No voltage at this point, 2 points, this voltage will not come out. After this voltage, no voltage at this point, you change this one. See here, off, no voltage. B on, this voltage come out 1. A on, this voltage come out 1. 2 switches on, output on.
See here, this is OR gate, OR gate, this is OR gate, this is NOT gate. This is PU17, PU16, PU15. See here, PU17, PU16, PU15. This is this one. So this one, PU4, this is PU4. Here now, this is capacitor, this is capacitor. This is PU17, this one. This is PU16. This is PU15. This is OR gate, this is OR gate, this is NOT gate. We will see how to function a OR gate. When you give pin number 1, 2, pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pin number 1, 2, A, B, 4, Y, 3 ground, 5 supply. When you give pin number 1 and 2 voltage, this voltage come out from pin number 4, this 5 volts come out from this place. When you give 1.8 volts here, 5 volts come out from pin number 4. When you give this voltage pin number 2, 1.8 or 2.8 volts, this 5 volts come out from this place. This voltage goes to here. Any one pin, this or this, you will give voltage, this voltage available at this pin. This is also, when you give this voltage will come out from this one. This voltage is okay, this voltage will present, this voltage will come, this voltage present here. This is NOT gate. No voltage at this point, this voltage come out from 5 volts here. Voltage is okay here, this voltage comes to here. Voltage is okay, no voltage at this point. This is reverse. No voltage at this point, this will come. Voltage is okay, no voltage. That means input 0, output 1. Any one pin give here voltage, this voltage will come. We will see this OR gates. This is 2 OR gates, we will see here.
This is pin number 1. No voltage. Pin number 2. No voltage, no input. Pin number 3 ground. Pin number 4. No output voltage. Pin number 5.
4.96.
4.96. Only supply is there. We will give input voltage.
This is 1.8 volts. See here, this is 1.8 volts. See here, this is 1.8 volts. I will give here this voltage, I will give here pin number 1. 4th pin output will come. We will see here. This is 4th pin. no voltage at this point. I will give pin number 1, this is pin number 1 dot. I will give pin number 1 or 2 voltage. This voltage come out from, I will give 1.8 volts here. This is 1.8 volts already. We have seen in this voltage. We will give 1 volt here, 1 or 2, this 5 volts come out from this place. When we will give here voltage, this 5 volts come out from pin number 4. This is pin number 4, no voltage at this point. I will give pin number 1 voltage here. I will give here pin number 1 voltage. See here, pin number 4 voltage okay. At pin number 4 voltage is okay. We will no voltage at this point. When we will give, voltage will come. Voltage will come. No voltage at this point. When you remove, when we will give, voltage will come. When we will remove, this voltage goes to 0. This is U16. This is PU16. This is PU16. When we will give here pin number 1, that means this PU17. When we give this voltage pin number 1, 1.8 volt, this voltage come out from this place. This voltage goes to here. We will see at pin number 4. This is pin number 4 of PU16. We will see here. This voltage will come here. We will see here. See, this voltage will come here at this FET. At this FET PU16. This is PU17. This is PU16. When you give pin number 1 voltage, this is pin number 1 of this one. When you give voltage, this voltage come out from here, this voltage come out from here. I will give here 1.8 volts, this voltage will come here. So any one pin you will give here voltage, this voltage will come out from this place. This is OR gate.